Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up your default upload settings. And this is quite simple. You're here on your YouTube channel content, and right now we just need to go to settings, and here it says upload defaults. Now right here you can select the title that you want to use every single time, maybe like how to. Because we are making how-to videos. Now, then here is the description. I make a recognition for my title that always my title is in the top. Under there, the description, and under there, the support button, aka subscriber button. And you can also add text. So let's see, how-to 2024. And right now, if you click on save, and we want to upload a video, let's see, maybe this video. You can see that the title is already how to, the description is already standing here, and we have two tags, the how to tags and the how to 2024 tags. And now if you do next and upload this video, we just use the upload defaults for our channel. Alright, this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.